So the next movement we're going to cover is foam rolling out the back portion of our calves. Now there's going to be two variations that I'm going to show you on this one. But the first one, we're going to start with the foam roller down flat on the ground. We're going to position our body up on the foam roller here. We're going to start in the mid-calf. Now I'm going to slightly elevate myself and I'm going to use my arms to roll back and forth just like this, all the way up and down. Now the second portion is I'm going to cross over that opposite leg and I'm going to elevate and then roll through the movement just like that. Do my rolls up and down, and then I'm going to switch. Cross this leg over on top, and this is just adding a little bit extra weight onto the opposite calf, and you're going to create more compression back there. You do your rolls, and then you're done. So that's going over the calf roll.